Good day, traders. This is Rich with ForexNewsTrader.com, and I'm going to get in a trade here at 24Option.com. I got about 20 seconds to do it, and I'll explain what's going on in a second here. Okay. So for some reason, I was having some kind of liquidity issues at Bank to Binary. It was kind of interesting to see. Never seen that before. Wasn't that I didn't have the money. I guess they're just having platform issues again. So we're going to switch over to 24 option right now. And it's March 9th, 2012. And we got about 5 minutes till this. We see the expiration on this. And we're currently in a negative position, not by much. You can see the red area here. And when it turns red, that means it's below our price, and when it's in the green, it's above our price. So being a call option, we want this price to go up. And today is a non-farm payroll day, which is in the U.S. news. Is probably the biggest event of the month. It comes on the first Friday of the month. And we are watching this to expire in profit, hopefully. We have 5 minutes to go. And the markets, both the euro and the pound, have both dropped heavily, and we're hitting a support level, so I took a call option to see if we can get a bounce, and we should see a bounce in the next 4 minutes or so. The USD yen has moved all the way through resistance 3 of the pivot line, so that's doing really well. The US dollar is doing really well right now, and the euro wants to take it's trying to stagger here, and you can't get in this trade anymore. As you can see, it says waiting for expiry, and so you have to wait until it actually expires to see what happens. Currently the price is 157,305, and our entry was 157,359. So we're watching this as it goes. It's pretty interesting. So I'm looking at prices at other markets, and I'm not seeing a delay, am I? We should be seeing a bounce up here. There we go. All right, now we're getting in the green. That's what I was looking for. Okay, so we're going to ride this out for another minute. I'll be right back with you, and we'll close this trade of the day out. Okay, so I just want to clarify. I think I said a Euro USD. I'm actually in a pound dollar trade, and I'll scroll over here. It's a bigger screen, so it's a little bit different than bank to binary for video purposes. You can see our investment is 200, and our potential payout is 360. And our current market price is 157.39, and our entry was 157.35. So we're 4 pips in favor right now, with about 30 seconds to go. So if we can hold this level, we should have a good trade of the day. I'm going to scroll over back to the chart so you can watch the end. Sorry for the video footage. And again, if it's in the green, that's in our favor. And this is where the news hit, right around here, around 8:30. And boom, we just dropped pretty significantly, really quick, over the course of 15 minutes or so. It's just been dropping heavily, and looks like this trade should work out for us. It's expiring right now. That's why it's grayed out all of a sudden. You can't look at anything until everything comes back online. So let's go check out our portfolio at 24option.com, and you can learn more about 24option at forexnewstrader.com. So hang on. Okay, so here's the portfolio at 24option.com. They have a high-low as the instrument because they have different kinds like one-touch and boundary options. We took a high, which is a plus. The asset was a pound dollar, order number, order time, which was March 9th at 8:54 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We invested $200, and our entry price was $157.35.9. There we go. That's better. And I'll scroll over. Okay, and here's our the expiration price was 1.57377, so that gave us almost 2 pips in the green at 9 a.m. Eastern, and our payout was $360. Now the difference on this trade than on a bank to binary trade is this is an 80% payout. The 80% payout is pretty nice, because on the pound dollar at bank to binary, it's only 72% payout. So, you know, you make a little bit more money on your trade, which is nice to think about going forward. We like bank to binary, we really do, but we're going to probably use both platforms, and 24Option is pretty sweet. So I'm going to see if I can bring another chart up. If not, then we'll just continue and conclude the video as well. So hang on a second. Okay, so it looks like it's all closed out and everything's good to go. This was the chart we were looking at now that I have a little bit more time. And you can see the steady fall. And we hit the support line right here, this little bump and this little bump. And this is where we took the trade on the secondary bump area. And we were looking for it to move up as a call option. And as you can see right now, the pound dollar is even paying 85% return, which is really nice. And so we definitely are going to start considering 24Option for certain trades, especially in the morning. If you're going to get paid 85% in the morning, then it doesn't make sense not to trade there. It's currently 9:04 Eastern, and we hope you are enjoying these videos. Please leave us some comments if you have any questions or anything like that. Let us know, and we'll try to help you out the best we can. And you can always reach us at forexnewstrader.com. Meanwhile, the markets are dropping again. The euro and the pound are both dropping to new lows. So that makes for an interesting day right now. So we'll keep an eye on the markets for you. We hope you guys have a great weekend. Let us know what's up. We want to hear from you. And have a great weekend. Talk to you soon.